All right, welcome to the call, guys. The reason I got you guys here today is to tell you about a big business opportunity for us in order to achieve massive success. So with that said, let's get started. The company is called UWE. It stands for United Well Education. The company is the leading financial education company in our industry, providing an array of services to help families meet each other of their financial goals. The mission for UWE is to impact 84 million families across the nation utilizing the services. And what are the services? So it's simple. You get to choose whichever service is best for you. And second, everything is done hands-free, and you'll be able to receive commissions and be able to fix the credit and stuff. So who is the partner of UWE? It's called UCS, United Credit Education Services. The company has been around for 18 years. It has helped millions of families. It's the leading company and is debt-free. Like it has no debt, so the company will be around forever. It has a dedicated and consistent management team. These are some stats about credit in America. 1.4 million people suffer from identity theft. 14.6 trillion people in the households reported debt in 2021. In just one decade, student loans balances have jumped 150%. 64% of Americans are expected to retire with less than $10,000 in their retirement savings account. 60% of Americans lack will or estate planning. 50% of Americans don't know their credit score. All right. So how is your credit score determined? It's determined through 5 different ways. 35% is your payment history, 30% is your credit utilization, 50% is your length of credit, 10% is new credits inquiries, and 10% is type of credit. All right, so why is credit so important and how it could affect your future? So if just to keep it brief, for example, if you have low credit, your interest rates for a mortgage loan, credit card debts, personal loans, auto loans, student loans, etc., are going to be much higher compared to if you have good credit. If you have good credit, your interest rates are going to be much lower and your payments are going to be much smaller. You could tell the difference. Okay, so budgeting and savings, this is something important. In 2022, 36% of all Americans had $0 in their savings, and 19% have less than $1,000. As of 2022, it was found that 68% of Americans had no budget in place. Okay, credit card debt. The average credit card debt per household with a monthly carryover balances of $15,000. The average APR on a credit card is 24%, and 55% of middle households have credit card debt and are paying interest. There's a retirement crisis. Nearly 48% of households headed by someone 55 or older have zero retirement savings. Of 48% and 52% are at risk of running out of money. So these are some of the tools that you're going to be able to acquire once you are part of our system. So you get budgeting, you get credit restoration, you get credit builder, you get credit monitoring, you get debt payoff, you get YFL family ment, you get a credit attorney, you get financial law box, you get identity monitoring, you get your network, you get saving goals, you get a rocket lawyer, and you also get access to make a will and a trust. So how much do you guys think this is worth? Like this package right here. Like if you were to go to like a random person, like this is probably worth thousands of dollars. Personally, I have paid $1,500 to join an academy that didn't get nothing done for me. So this is costing the thousands. Okay. So we also provide services for loans, like for personal loans, student loans, auto loans, personal secure cards, high yield savings. We also help people get business secure cards, business credit lines, and business funding. Okay, what you do? Simply refer others and we will help them activate their protection plan services, focusing on their areas and their needs. Everything is done hands-free, by the way. Everything's automated, guys. You just gotta fill out some quick information and you'll be set. We handle the credit restoration, we handle the technology, we handle the paperwork, we handle the customer service, and much more. What are you rewarded? You're rewarded with direct commissions, residual commissions, overriding residuals, investment retirement accounts, and reward programs. You earn commissions per sale as an agent. Once you become an agent and you have enrolled 5 customers, right? You'll be able to get $100 per customer after that. And also, if your clients, once they stay and they pay their monthly membership, you get $12 for every client that you have under you. And also, there's multi-level. So your clients, you'll be able to get commission out of that too, as well, on a monthly basis. In UWE, you also get commissions from the funding that we provide for the people under you. You'll be able to get percentages on the commissions. Like, for example, if you get $1 million, somebody gets $1 million loan, you'll be able to get 6.5K out of that loan. You also get like a complete like marketing tools. You get a personal agent website, you get professional marketing material, you get like a live agent support, weekly pays, online back office, commission rewards, and you also get live insurance. So the price and the value for this package is actually just $179, guys. You're getting everything that I said just for $179. You know, usually things like this go for like $500, $1,000, $1,500 just to get your credit restoration, just to get your LLCs, to get your trust funds, to get everything that comes with this is just $179 to join as a client, guys. And after that, it's just $89 monthly. And if you decide to become an agent, you'll be able to make commissions, but the agent do pay a little more, it's $290 and $89 monthly. And what is the difference between a client and an agent? The agent gets a residual income from the clients that you refer to the business. If you refer 5 people, your monthly is waived. These are some entrepreneurs within the company. They're having massive success. The company is all over the United States. Millions of people are joining. And that's basically it, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm here to answer any questions. If there's any questions, just let me know. Like, what do you guys think about the call? Did everything get break down pretty good? Let me know. I also have a special guest here with us. He could talk to you guys about credit and the reason why credit is so important. He's actually one of my mentors, and he's a 6-figure earner himself. Let's see. Let's get him on the call. Johnny, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell us the reason why credit is so important in this DNA?
Definitely. And going back to pretty much Mike, I really appreciate you, everything you do, especially as a person. And also you're always looking out for people as well. And pretty much, credit is a very, very big thing, especially in the world we live in. If you don't have credit, you can't go to the bank, you can't get a loan, you can't get a vehicle to finance your vehicle. Pretty much you're gonna have to pay out of cash. Especially the world we live in right now is like we're about to get into technologies, advance, and etc. And especially, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is a great company. Why? It's because going back and realizing what everything he says, you're pretty much making sure you're building your own capital, you're protecting yourself, you're increasing your credit while this company is helping you out in the long run. While your credit is very under 500, 4, 3, 2, 1, that's bad. You can't do nothing. But this company is gonna literally help you build your letters, write everything you need, send it off to the bureaus, 3 different bureaus, and then pretty much just take it out of your statements and etc. Eviction, car notes, late payments, child support, or etc. Right? It's just gonna eventually eliminate those little errors. But it's just going back with going back to pretty much going back to what Mike said. It's like this is a great thing. You're helping yourself. You're pretty much making sure you're in position in the long run for your family. 2 and 3, you're pretty much at the end of the day, if it works for you, why not help other people as well? Which is promote yourself, make this as a business, and get paid from it. And it's like it's unlimited money on the table, right? We're not talking about money, but in reality, life is all about you got to make money in order for you to live. You can't just live off of free. But especially like this company is going to go into a $1 trillion company in the future. And this is a long-term business as well. For yourself, you could teach this to your kids, especially tell them, hey, get an LLC, EIN number, start up a bank, build your own credit line, become a business owner, and build your own business portfolio as well in the long run. So where everything he said right now, it's pretty much accurate. It's 100% guaranteed. And I promise you, your credit, whatever your credit is at right now, it's gonna definitely hit that 800 and probably 800 above very, very soon. If your credit is bad, you're paying how much you're paying again, Mike? What, 185?
You say, well, just one-time payment, 185 and 89 after that.
185? That's a still. Think about it. That's a very still other people out there charging you $3, 4, $5,000 just to build your credit. But with this company, it's going to help you step by step. And if you want to,
I think you got muted, Johnny. Sorry.
but can you hear me now?
Yeah, you're good now.
Bet. So pretty much like I said, going back to pretty much, with your EIN number, your LLC and all that, you can teach your kids in the long run as well, which is when it comes down to your credits. But, that's pretty much it on my end. I really appreciate you. But if you guys ready to get started, definitely get started with Mike. It's only 185 one time, and the rest is pretty much it's history. You're building your legacy. You're helping your own credit. And in the future, when you finance your home, you get to be able to use your credit to put a down payment and all that. And if you want your dream car, like whatever car you really, really like, go to the dealership, pick a car out, use your credit. Pretty much they see it. Okay, you're good. You're pretty much driving your dream car out the lot off of your financing, off of your own credit. And that's a win-win. So credit, it's a big thing. If you don't have credit, you're paying everything out of pocket. And that sucks. So 185, it's a win. And if I was you guys, I'll definitely get started as soon as possible because there's limited spots as well too. But yeah, Mike, that's all you, my boy.
Thank you for that, Johnny, man. I appreciate your insights, man. He's actually a beast of mentor when it comes to credit. He's actually leveraging his own credit for his own businesses. He also developed multiple ways to get income. So that's the reason I decided to get Johnny in this call for us, so he could actually give us some sauce. Thank you for that, Johnny. Appreciate you.
Of course, King.
So yeah, just to just finish the call, guys. I know I don't want it's already been like 15 minutes. I don't want to take too much time of your day. I know it's Sunday, everybody got things to do. But think about where you gonna be at 5 years from now, guys, 10 years from now. How do you see yourself? Like personally, I see myself using this company to create a good foundation for my future, be able to create LLCs, be able to create trust funds, to create something that's going to last for a long time. We're talking about legacy, guys. Something that's going to be able to feed your children's children's, because that's the way they actually like the real wealthy people have everything set up. They have set up everything with LLCs, with trust funds in such a matter like they practically got unlimited money. So that's what we're trying to create for us, guys. And if you guys have like business ideas, like for example, I don't know if you guys want to be what entrepreneurs, investors, etc. Like barbershops. I don't know what you guys mentality is right now as a business, but through here you'll be able to get business funding. You'll be able to get your LLCs for your business funding. So the future is limitless, guys. It all takes one decision. I want to give a shout out actually to Vanessa for inviting her people to the call. I want to give a shout out to Sandy, to Sebastian. Thank you guys for being in the call. And if you guys got any questions, just feel free to reach out to us and we'll take care of you. Okay?
Thank you, Mike.
You got it, Sandy. Hope you guys like the call.